Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. In this short tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can create this writing text effect. You can change it to any colour and you can use any font. So let's jump into it. As always, we'll start with File, New, Blank Presentation, Layout, Blank. I'm going to click up here to create a text box. I'm going to type some text. I'm going to choose Meow Script and make it 180. And I'll put a link to this font in the description down below. I'll align it to the middle. And because it's got a massive S in this font in capitals, you can just visually align it until you're happy with where it is in the middle. And that's about right. So to make it easier to work with, we'll go to Format Background and we'll just choose a grey colour. And the way we get this to work is we actually draw over the entire text in the order we want it to reveal and reverse it. So let's get drawing. We'll go to the Draw section of the ribbon, and here you can choose a pen. If you go to the drop down, you can make sure that it's the thickest one possible, which is 3.5mm. White is fine. Now we can draw over it in the reverse of the way you would expect it to write out. So I'm going to go from the bottom right and then draw over it in that way. So I'm going to click to start, and then I'm going to hold the mouse down, which is important that you keep your mouse held down as you draw over this. You can actually let go of the mouse, but if you do, it will create two animations, and ideally it's easier to use this as just one animation. And we'll want to continue until all the black of the text lettering is covered. And now I can let go of my mouse. So if we go to the animations pane and click on our ink, we can choose replay. And generally, this will be the option that you use for drawing out animations as you drew them with a pen. But in this case, because we want to reveal the text, we're going to choose Rewind, which plays the drawing of ink strokes in reverse. There we go, that's looking good. So if you haven't quite covered all of the black, you can right click on this and choose Format Ink and change the width. That will make it thicker. And you can also change the colour. So we're going to change the colour to the blue that we're going to use for the first background. So we'll choose light blue, and then we'll right click on the background and choose solid fill and choose light blue for that also. You can adjust the time it takes to write on by clicking on it, going to animations and changing the duration. I'm going to set mine to 3 seconds. You can see that even though the text is blue, it will actually show white when you click on it, so you can see where it is. So now let's play that and see what we've got. Great. We're just going to make the text white. And to do that, I can either click on this and send it to the back first so I can get to the text I want to make white, or I can choose it in the Arrange panel. And just for reference, that's in the Selection pane, and you can change it here by clicking on it, which is text box 3. So I'm going to make this text white, and I'll then right click on this, send to back, and now it will write out as at the beginning in my example. Great, I'll just show you how you can make the colour variations. So if we click on the slide and press Ctrl D to duplicate, I can right click on the background, Format Background. This one I'm going to choose Gold Accent 4, and then I can click on the drawing that's covering it, go to Shape Outline and choose the same colour as the background. So we'll just play that. Great. So I'm just going to do the final colour that I had in the example at the beginning. Ctrl D to duplicate the slides, right click, Format Background, choose a solid fill, and we'll choose the standard colour light green there, and then we'll click on the drawing and go to Shape Outline and choose the green there. So now when we play this, you'll see the exact example I had at the beginning. And remember, you can use this with any font and any text you like. The trick is to go to the draw section, to hold down the mouse while you write over the whole thing in reverse to how you want it to reveal, and then add the animation to rewind. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks very much for watching. If you want to hit more, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.